1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now match the numbers. Number 1. Where is number 1? Good. Good boy. That is number 1. Next, number 2. Where is number 2? Observe. Good observation. Well, number 2. Next, number 3. Where is number 3? Number 3. Yes, that is number 3. Good. Next, number 4. 4. Yes. Number 4. And next, number 5. Where is number 5? Where is number 5? Search it. 5. Yes. Yes, green. That is green and 5. Match the 5. Yes, that is 5. Number 6. Where is number 6? 6. Yes. Good identification. That is number 6. Good. Next, number 7. 7. Where is number 7? Look at. Where is number 7? 7. Yes. Number 7. Good. Next, number 8. Wait, where is 8? Look at this. 8. Good. 8. Next, number 9. 9. Good. That is the number 9. Last, number 10.